On Aliexpress you can find these very practical and useful new design e-ink or e-paper displays, and the price for this display starts from $10 and it's going up depend from where you are ordering and which model or type, because this one that I'm holding in my hands is 2.9 inches with the resolution of 296 by 128 pixels, but also there is a smaller version which is 1.5 inches, and this one is 200 by 200 pixels. And in my previous video I showed to you how you can make a weather station using a temperature sensor and this e-ink display. And if you don't know, the display will stay with the graphics on without using any energy or hook up a battery, which is pretty nice function. And in today's video I will show you two example codes using this big 2.9 inches e-ink display, as I told you. Let's start. And for those who don't know how it works, this e-ink display, to stay the graphics like this without electricity, let me share what Mr. Google says. E-ink or electrophoretic displays use millions of tiny microcapsules filled with charged white positive and black negative particles suspended in fluid. Applying an electric field moves specific particles to the surface, forming text or images. And it looks like this. So we have white and black particles, and we are applying an electric field. They are moving in specific place to the surface, forming text or images, just like this one. And to show you the code examples, I'm gonna use maybe the most powerful ESP32 board, which is S3 board. It's a tiny one but very powerful, and I have solder pin header, so can they fit to my display directly like this. But you can change in the code the pins to whatever suits you. And also at bottom of the board I have attached another pin, so I can attach modules like buttons or temperature sensors. And by the way, this S3 development board have a pins for battery. This board also have a charger built in, which is pretty amazing, and also it have a programmable LED. Also it have a temperature sensor inside the microcontroller, so you can monitor the microcontroller. A bunch of stuff, and as I said, it goes like this. And I'm gonna upload the first code so you can see it. Maybe you are wondering why my display is all black, because I disconnect when the display make a full refresh. So I'm gonna attach to the S3 board right now and reset it. Come on, and take a look now. What is this? It's a matrix effect. Isn't that cool? From always I wanted to make a matrix effect and on any display. So that's why I made a matrix effect on e-ink, and turned out pretty awesome. There are a bunch of numbers, letters and symbols scrolling down, and it's awesome, and it's great way so you can see the partial refresh that is working very good. Oh, isn't that nice? The codes that I'm gonna use in this video will be in description below, so you can check them. By the way, to share my Ko-fi page where you can support my work with coffee or two, and my latest supporter is this guy, CB Jory. Sorry if I pronounce wrong. He wrote, "Thanks for the code and for the entertainment. No, thank you to you, sir, for supporting my channel, and to all supporters like Lan, like Mike Stout, and many, many more. The link will be in description below, so you can check and maybe send me a coffee. Thank you. So now the display is removed from the ESP32 board, and take a look. We still have the graphics on the display, and it will stay like that for a couple of months. Oh, awesome. And here it is, the most amazing code example in today's video, using an analog joystick and of course the EInk display. I made a game. What kind of game? A Tetris game that can show the score and also have levels. And using the analog joystick, I will play the game. What it says: hold down to start. Hold down. Take a look. With pushing up, I can rotate the blocks. Whoa. Also, I need to take like this. Moving left and right. Isn't this nice? With that partial refresh, the game is working beautiful, and I love it. One more time to tell you that all codes will be in description below, so you can check them and maybe try. Right now I have 0 points. Whoa. Okay, I have made 25 points, and in every 100 points the level goes up. Okay, what do you think? Isn't this nice? Tetris game is one of the most popular retro game. And now I'm gonna reach level 2. You're gonna see that, and the score, I have a high score or 1275, but right now my score is 100. No. Okay, this should go right here, and awesome. I hope you like today's video where I present the EInk display and couple of examples. If you love them, please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. And just to see how game over. It says game over, last score 100, Tetris S3, because the ESP32 is S3, high score is 1275, and hold down to start. That's it. See ya!